Hi, today we are going to take a look at the Opilotair PAC series of rotary screw compressors. Rotary type technology is an efficient, quiet and vibration-free method of compressing air. Being a fixed speed type machine, these rotary air compressors are ideal where there is a standard and or a constant demand for compressed air. So let's take a look at what makes the PAC series tick. As with all Opilotair products, they are built tough to last. The heart of the machine features a European design and manufactured air end driven by a robust poly V-belt drive system. The machine is designed for easy maintenance access for minimum servicing downtime and has a thermostatically controlled radial fan to keep oil and air operating temperatures at their optimum and reduce noise. The package is controlled by an advanced electronic controller offering features such as maintenance timers, auto restart after power failure, remote start functionality, and hours remaining before maintenance. Of course, it also offers full display of the status of the compressor and running conditions. Models 18.5 kilowatt and above also feature master slave functionality for up to 4 compressors and optional remote monitoring functionality. The PAC series is your choice for your workshop or industrial requirement. With Opilotair's legendary and long life value, the PAC series comes in 3 product ranges. The PAC series standalone, PAC receiver mounted, and the complete packages, PAC receiver mounted with dryer. For the PAC series receiver mounted, a receiver is included ranging from 150 to 268 litres and comes in 5 models that you can choose from to suit your requirements. For the PAC series RMD, in addition to the receiver, a refrigerator, dryer and pre-filter is included, making it the complete ready-to-go package. It comes in 6 models that you can choose from depending on your needs. Check us out at www.pilotair.com.au or give us a call at 1300 667 579 and let us help with your compressed air requirements. For over 40 years, nobody cares more about your compressed air than Opilotair.